to try and catch them. But first, I need to make some carp bait. I have panko breadcrumbs, whole kernel corn, white hominy, and strawberry jello. First thing is gonna be to add the breadcrumbs. Okay, I got 2 packs of breadcrumbs in there. Okay, I got all the breadcrumbs. Okay, 3 pack of strawberry jello, 2 cans of whole kernel corn. You have to gently drain. I mean, you don't want to drain them all the way. If you drain the cans all the way, so you kind of want to sort of drain them, but not really. The other can of corn, I'm going to mix it all together. If it ends up being too dry when you get it down there, packs together pretty good. That's the recipe you gotta do.